Respected principal, teachers and my dear listeners, good morning everyone. Salat, the best prayer. There are 5 fundamentals of faith in Islam. A man cannot be a Muslim until he declare oneness of God and prophethood of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When a man contests the oneness of God and prophethood of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when a man contests the oneness of God and prophethood of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is compulsory for him to perform prayers. These prayers are offered 5 times a day. These prayers are called salat, and this is a special way of worshipping. Allah's Prophet said, Salat is coolness of my eyes. Therefore, salat is compulsory for every Muslim who attends a certain. He has to offer salat at a 5 times a day. Every true Muslim, young or old, weak or strong, man or woman, offer salat at a punctual time. There are some conditions before offering salat. Have a wonderful day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.